Hi guys, I am Akansha Sahgal and welcome to day 14 of Vlogmas 2020, and today is December 10th. It's around 5 p.m. right now, and what I have been doing since morning. First, I was doing my internship work. I had some assignments to complete, so I was doing that, and after that I completed my new layout in my Light the Path design team work. So I shot a video for this as well, and that will be going live depending on the scheduling of the vlogs. But yeah, I worked on my design team project as well, and now I am taking a break, but I thought I should come on the camera and say hi to all of you. And yeah, so I'll be taking a break, but for today I have planned some ideas that I would like to share with you all, and that is related to what you can write in your Christmas cards. Now, yesterday I shared a video with you guys in which I shared some quick and easy Christmas card ideas with you all, and I leave a link to that here and in the description box as well if you want to see that. But I wanted to share some ideas related to what you can write in those cards, because like all the obvious messages related to Merry Christmas, have a bright and merry season and all that stuff, let's do something more personalized and something that makes the other person feel really special. So I thought I'll share some ideas with you all, and yes, that will be the agenda for today's video. So I'll see you guys in some time. Hello people, so I am back with some Christmas message ideas for you guys, and I'll be sharing 5 different ideas that you can go for to write in your cards. You can obviously go for the usual messages, but I thought why not make the Christmas cards this time more personalized, especially when we are going through this pandemic and a lot of people cannot meet their friends and family. So these personalized messages will make them feel more special. So without wasting any further time, let's directly jump into the message ideas. So the very first idea goes something like this: remember when dash. You have to fill the blank with one of your memories that you have with that person, and then you can complete the message by writing, I hope to meet you soon so that we can relive these memories. Lots of love, warm wishes, and however you want to sign it off. The second message idea also runs on same lines. So you can write, whenever I see dash, I always get the flashback of dash. So the first blank you have to fill with a particular thing or place or food item with which you have a memory associated, and that memory needs to go in the second line. And again, it will give the personalized touch to the person receiving that message, because you have taken the time out to tell them what makes you remember about that person. The third idea is to write the things you are grateful for from that person. So for example, if you are writing or if you're sending the card to your friends, you can write that I am grateful for all the times you have been stood by my side, for all the efforts that you have taken for me. Or maybe if you're writing to your parents, you can write thank you for taking care of me. So write down the things that the other person has done for you and you're grateful for those things, and that would make them feel really special, because you are not just wishing them a very Merry Christmas and a New Year, but also you are thanking them for all the efforts that they have taken for you till now. The fourth idea that I have for you that you can go for is to dedicate a song to the person you are giving the card. So it might be the case that you have a particular memory attached to a particular song, so you can dedicate that song to the person receiving the card. Or sometimes, some particular song makes you remember about a particular person, and when you're writing the card for that particular person, write down the song and write down why this song every time reminds you of that person, and it will be a really fun way to wish the festivities to that person through your Christmas cards. The last idea that I have for you guys is writing some pun messages for the person receiving those cards. Now you can get creative in this. So there are a lot of messages out there on the internet already. You can go for them. But if you are someone who has a sense of humor or who likes to write, you can write your own pun messages, and that would make it more personalized when you're writing the cards for your friends and family. So you can go for that as well. But I'll leave a link to one or two articles in which I can find some pun messages for Christmas, and I'll leave those links in the description box below so you can check them out. So this was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you have any more ideas apart from these, do let me know in the comment section below, and it will not just help me but a lot of other people watching the comment section from those ideas. And do let me know what kind of videos you want to see in my upcoming Vlogmas series. And also, for the people who are coming on my channel, on my Vlogmas for the first time, and you are an Indian resident, I just want to share with you that a giveaway is going on my channel, and the rules for that are explained in a bit detail in my day 1 video. So make sure you're watching that video after this one to know the details and participate in the giveaway. And you will stand a chance to win an A4 size customized frame. So make sure you're checking that video out for all the details. And this was pretty much it for today. And agenda after this recording is to edit this video, get it uploaded, and then complete my assignments. My assignments are back basically. So yeah, now you'll be seeing me again talking about my assignments in few of my upcoming videos, but that's how it is, term end. But yeah. And yeah, this was pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.